friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English Hub. Hope you all are fine. We have already learned first unit of 8th class. The theme was family. In this we have learned the nuclear families and also about the joint families. Here we can see the contents of the first unit. Reading A, The Tattered Blanket. Reading B, My Mother Poem. And reading C, A Letter to a Friend. In our previous videos, we have already discussed reading A and reading B. In this video, we are going to discuss reading C, Letter to a Friend. So, are you all ready, friends? Let's get started. Here we can see a letter to a friend. Hyderabad, 12/11/2012. This shows the place and the date. Dear Suresh, this is Ramesh. By this we can understand that Ramesh is writing this letter to his dear friend Suresh. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. I apologize for not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad last week. Here, in the very first line itself, Ramesh is asking for an apology. For what? For not meeting him when Suresh visited Hyderabad last week. Right? Okay. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. Here Ramesh is telling the reason. What is the reason? The reason is he was having a meeting in his office. Because of that, he was unable to meet his friend Suresh. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. Here he is telling that he still remembers how they both enjoyed in Manikonda village. Every day we played together in our garden. He is telling that every day they both used to play in the garden. Our family was very big. There were 12 members in our family. He is telling that their family was very big and both the friends Ramesh and Suresh used to play in the garden. I remember how we played in the moonlight. Here he is telling that they played in the moonlight. Moonlight in the sense here the light of the moon. Our grandma used to give us fruits and biscuits. Our grandpa used to tell us fairy tales about the princess, warriors and the village boys. Here Ramesh is telling that I still remember that our grandma used to give us fruits and biscuits to eat, and our grandpa used to tell us stories, different stories. Here fairy tales. Fairy tales means stories which has a moral, which has all the imaginary characters, and stories about princess and also the stories about warriors. Warriors means here stories of brave soldiers, brave fighters. Okay friends? And the village boys. Now I am working at Microsoft, a software company, Hyderabad, as a computer programmer. Here Ramesh is telling that I am working as a computer programmer in a Microsoft company in Hyderabad. So here we can understand that Ramesh lives in Hyderabad and he is working as a computer programmer in a software company. Clear? Okay. I am married and we have a child. My wife works at Dell, Hyderabad as a system analyst. Here he is telling that he is married and he is also having a child. His wife works at Dell as a system analyst. Here we can see that both the wife and husband are working. Ramesh is working as computer programmer and his wife is working as a system analyst at Dell. You know, city life is quite busy. Here Ramesh is telling that the city life is quite busy. Quite busy means a little busy. We start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center and come back in the evening with the faded faces. See here Ramesh is telling that they start in the morning. They have to leave their child at the baby care center and they come back with the faded faces. Here faded faces means dull faces. They come back home with the tired faces. We hardly find time to sit together. How disgusting. Here Ramesh is telling that we don't even have time to sit together. And he's also telling that we both are living a very busy life. How disgusting. Disgusting means extremely unpleasant thing. We work with computers, think like computers, and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. Here Ramesh is telling that as they are working with computers, they think like computers and live like computers. It means machine does not have any feelings. Here they too are living in the same way. No time to discuss. They have also forgotten the family. I remember how we played gilli danda, hide and seek and kabaddi. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. Here Ramesh is recollecting all the sweet memories. Here he is telling that they used to play gilli danda, hide and seek, kabaddi, and they also went for swimming in local tanks every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. Our flat is our world, just like a well for a frog. Here he is telling that we live in an apartment here where there is no room to play. No room in the sense here, no open place to play. Our flat is our world. Our flat is everything for us, just like a well for a frog. It means here that Ramesh's small environment is his whole world. How happy we were in our school. Here he's telling that we were very much happy. How happy we were in our school. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and took part in the events. Here he is telling that they both were very much happy in the school. They used to sit in the same row and they used to work together, and they also used to take part in all the events which were conducted in the school. I remember how Padmanabhaiah sir, our class teacher, appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair. Here he is telling that when they got the first prize in district science fair, their class teacher Mr. Padmanabhaiah sir appreciated them. I remember how we went on a picnic to Koil Sagar. There we went boating. Our tour to Srisailam was memorable. Here he is telling that he still remembers picnic to Koil Sagar. There they went for boating, and also a tour to Srisailam was very much memorable. Still I remember the green hills full of trees that almost touched the sky. He still remembers the green hills which was full of trees. I remember the roaring of Krishna river at the dam. Roaring of means flowing water with high intensity. He still remembers Krishna river dam which was roaring with high intensity. There is nothing here. There is nothing here in the sense here we can't enjoy. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of the computer and play games, never caring for anyone. He is telling that his child only sits in the front of the computer and plays games, and he doesn't even care for anyone. He is very much worried about his child's behavior now. Ramesh is very much worried about his child. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He brought toys and fruits for us. Our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasara. How we enjoyed Deepavali. Still, I hear the sound of crackers. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of light. Where are those days? My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbor are the same. Here Ramesh is telling that he still remembers the happy moments when his uncle visited him. He used to bring toys and fruits. And when his aunt visited him, she brought a new dress for Dasara. Here Ramesh is telling that he still remembers how he enjoyed Deepavali. and he still remembers the night of light. He is telling that where are those days now? Nowadays, there is no enjoyment like those days. My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbor are the same. Okay friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Sometimes I think of our childhood days. I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. Here Ramesh is telling that sometimes he thinks of his childhood days and he feels very happy. He thinks of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. We missed them. We missed the joy of the family. We missed their company. We are missing many things in this busy life. Here Ramesh is telling that he is missing everything. He is missing the joy of the family. He missed the company of the relatives. He missed the company of the grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters, as he is leading a very busy life in city. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone, those fairy tales, those fruits, those words of love and affection. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. Here Ramesh is telling that Suresh, I don't know where have all those things gone. Where are those fairy tales? And here in the city, nobody talks with love and affection like in the village. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. Here unreal world in the sense temporary world. We have lost our real life in this imaginary world, temporary world. Okay friends? Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. Here Ramesh is telling that anyway, I am happy. At least I have got some time to write a letter to you. Please come to me. Please come to Hyderabad. Let's remember our childhood days of joy once again. Here we can see that Ramesh is writing a letter to his dear friend Suresh and he is explaining how he is living a busy life in the city Hyderabad and how he misses his Manikonda village. Your loving friend Ramesh. Friends, I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel which is Smart English Hub. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.